Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Windows 11 on a computer which is not supported to install Windows 11. Okay, so here first of all I'll show you my PC is not supported to install Windows 11. Here you can see this PC doesn't currently meet all the system requirements for Windows 11. Okay, so now just open your browser. And here search for Windows 11 ISO. Click on the first link. Okay, so now download Windows 11 disk image. Here select download Windows 11, click on download. Now choose the product language. I'll select English. Okay, confirm. Now there's only 64-bit option. Okay, I've already downloaded this file, so I'll just cancel downloading. Now you have to download Windows 10 ISO file. On this website you can easily download the Windows 10 ISO file. I've already downloaded both files. Okay, so here we have the both files, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So just right click on the file, open with Windows Explorer. Click OK. Now copy all the files from the Windows 10 disk image. I'm just copying all the files. Create a new folder. Paste all the files here. Okay, now go to sources and look for install.esp file. Here you can see install.esp. Okay, just delete this file. This is the main Windows 10 installation file. Okay, I have just deleted the file. And now go back, open the Windows 11 image, go to sources, and now look for install.wim. Here you can see this file. Okay, copy this file. Go to Windows 10 folder, go to sources and paste it here. Okay. So right now we just have deleted the Windows 10 installation file and we have replaced it with Windows 11. Okay. But the other files are same. Okay, now just open setup. My system is a little bit slow, so that's why I'm waiting a little more than usual. change how Windows setup downloads updates. Okay, click on not right now, click next. Now it's checking your PC. So we're getting a few things ready. Now just click on accept. Okay, keep personal file. It won't delete your files or any app already installed on your PC in Windows 10. It doesn't delete anything. It will just upgrade your PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without deleting any files. Click OK. It's right there. Okay, here you can see ready to install. You have chosen to install Windows 10 Pro and keep personal files only. Okay. If you download both ISO files of the same language, then you don't lose any of your files saved on your PC or any app. Okay, so now here you can see it says installing Windows 10, but actually it's installing the Windows 11 because we have the installation file from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, so don't worry about this message. Just wait here for a moment. Now it will restart. Okay, here you can see it's Windows 11 logo here. Okay, so now it's installing. I have skipped the installation process just to save your time, but you can easily install Windows 11 after watching this video. Okay, here I'll just set up my PC. And here you can see we have installed the Windows 11 on an unsupported hardware.